Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how we can download and install the TouchIT App Store. So the TouchIT App Store is going to give us access to all that free content, all of those free apps that we have available for use with the onboard Android on the TouchIT Y series. So let's have a look at exactly what we need to do to access that content. We're going to assume that you've already connected to the internet and there's a video tutorial available to show you how to do that. What we're going to now do is open up the browser from the dock and we're going to navigate to touchitTechnologies.com/App Store, and you can see that I've already entered that into the browser just to save some time on the video here. So once we've got that, once we've got the nice large icon, all I'm going to do is tap on the icon. It's going to ask me if I want to save the file, and I'm going to say OK. So my file is now downloading, and once that's downloaded, I will get a message to enable me to open that up and we can start the installation process. Now that my file's downloaded, I'm going to click on the three dots. I'm going to choose my downloading list, and I'm now going to click on the TouchIT App Store. It's going to ask me, do you want to install? And all I'm going to do is click on install, and within a few seconds the TouchIT App Store will have installed on the LED and I'll be able to open it. The TouchIT App Store is now installed, and I'm just going to click open. The first thing I'm going to have to do is create myself an account. So I'm going to enter my username, which can be anything that you like, enter your school, your email address, and choose yourself a password. Once you've done that, you can click on the create and go ahead and create yourself that account. Once you've created the account, click on sign in and enter your email address and your password that you've just created for your account, and that will log you into the system. So I've entered my email address and I've entered my password, and I'm just going to hit login. Once you've logged in, the apps will all appear and you can scroll up and down, or you can choose the categories or search for an app. To install an app, it's as simple as choosing install, let the app populate, and then hit install again. It will then download onto your LED, you click open, and you're good to go. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to get going with the TouchIT App Store.